Okay, let's take a look at number 5. The net of an isosceles triangular pyramid is shown below. Okay, so this is a pyramid. Yeah, it looks like if you flip that one up, this one up, that one up, it would come together in the middle, form a little pyramid. The question is, which best represents the lateral surface area of the pyramid? So this, again, surface area is like the one thing that's not found on your star reference material. It never says surface area anywhere. It says volume. It says area, but it doesn't say what surface area or lateral surface area are. So you just have to remember what those are. Okay? Surface area is all the surfaces added together. You find the area of all these things. Lateral surface area is everything except for the bases. Okay? So your base right here is this one. I don't want that one. I don't want that. Okay? I want the other 3 sides. So let's see. Those other 3 sides are triangles. Right? So if I look up my reference material for the area of a triangle, it says find 1/2 times the length of the base times the length of the height. Right? So if I do that, let's see. For this triangle, I'll do this. So that's 1/2. Actually, for all of them, I'm going to write it up here. 1/2 base times height. I realize you can't see that. Let me move this down a little bit. I just wrote down this 1/2 base times height. Okay. So this one, I'm going to plug in. My base of this triangle is 6 meters. My height of that triangle is 5.2 meters. So my area of that triangle is going to be 1/2 of 6. Let's see, half of 6 is 3. 3 times 5.2. Let's see, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6. So the area of this is 15.6 square meters. Okay. Let's do this triangle down here. So this triangle it's going to be 1/2 of base times height. In this case, its base is 4. And its height is 5.7. Okay, so if I do that, 1/2 of 2 is just 1. Oh, I'm sorry, I did this 2 minutes. Wait a minute, this isn't right. Mr. Baker's getting ahead of himself. This is 4. The base is 4, not 2. Okay, 1/2 of 4 times 5.7. Okay, so half of 4 is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14, so I've added another 1.4. So I get 11.4. Right? 11.4. And this triangle is the same as this triangle. So 11.4. That's what isosceles means. These 2 sides are the same. All right, so if I add these together, I'll get my answer. So let's just see real quick here. 15.6 plus 11.4 plus 11.4. And I'll show you a little trick I do sometimes when I'm adding on the star. Is here I get 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 4 is 14. I just stop right there and see if any of my answer choices end with a 0.4. Anything end with a 0.4? Yes. Gotta be choice F. Right? So I can stop adding right there. Now, it'll only take me a couple more seconds just to check real quick. 6, 7, 8, and then 3. So it's not a big deal. But, shave off a couple seconds. And there we go. Let's look at number 6. So we have 2 figures here. Okay, what figures are these? This is a triangular prism. This is a triangular pyramid. All right. So right away, this is what I'm thinking. There are 3 pyramids in a prism. Now, I do have to make sure, in order for that to be true, the bases have to be the same. So is there this triangle has a 3 by 4 triangle. Is there a 3 by 4 triangle over here? Yeah, it's right here, 3 by 4. Okay. The heights have to be the same, 6 and 6. Is it 6 and 6? Yep, okay. So I'm thinking to myself, there are 3 pyramids in a prism. So which of these answer choices does not say, that there are 3 pyramids in a prism? All right. This one says if you take a pyramid and times it by 1/3, you'll get a prism. That doesn't sound right. You need to times it by 3 to get a prism, so it's wrong. Well, it's got to be that one. That's not true. Let's just check them though. Pyramid, if you take a pyramid and you multiply by 3, you get a prism. Yeah, that's true. That's what we said. Take a prism, multiply by 1/3, get a pyramid. So if you take a third of a prism, you get a pyramid. Yeah, that's true. Take a prism, divide it by 3, you get a pyramid. Yeah, that's true as well. So actually, all three of these say exactly the same thing. So even if you weren't sure what the relationship was between pyramids and prisms, you could have said, okay, well, let's see. All three of these say the same thing. So the one that must be right is the only one that says something different, which is choice F.